Okay, lap seal we understood na. Opposite surface of sheet we are closing or joining. In case of fin seal, what we are doing, we are joining the same surface, है ना? You can
Yes,
see
sir.
here inner surface to inner surface we are joining. Both the picture are same or different?
Same, sir. Other is only upside down.
Upside down. Upside down.
Yes, sir.
Oh, Anvari she was telling correct, because seal is same, but the direction of twist is different. Okay. Now another kind of heat seal you can see, just थोड़ा सा elaboration है. First picture you can see, this is which kind of seal? Hello?
Lap seal.
Lap seal. So this lap seal is left over right. So this is left covering the right. So left over right direction. So that type of seal is called as standard lap seal. ठीक है? Reverse lap seal में क्या होता है? Right over left. So this is right covering the left. So this is right over left. This is also called as reverse lap seal. Third one is standard fin seal. Fin seal is what we are doing. We are joining same surface. So left over right on center. So this is left, this is right. Where we are joining? At the center. That's why this is left over right on center. This is standard fin seal. Reverse fin seal में क्या है? Right over left on center. So this is right, this is left. So we are covering the left with right. So right over left in the center. So that is the reverse fin seal. Then offset fin seal standard. इसमें क्या है? This is also standard fin seal. This is also standard. But the joining portion here you can see from the center slightly it is deviating from the center. Understood? So left over right off center, we can say off center. We are not closing at center. We are leaving the center and near the center we are closing. That is the offset fin seal standard, or left over right off center. Then another one is offset fin seal reverse. So just this is right, this is left. So right film covering over the left. Just we are near to the center. Means we are not closing at center. Whereas the standard fin seal we can see we are closing at the center. Another one is pinch seal. Pinch seal में क्या है? Here also just like fin seal, we are joining the inner surface to inner surface. Inner surface to inner surface we are joining. But here you can see this will be right angle triangle. This is not attached to the means left film or right film. This will be straight. That is the pinch seal. इसमें किसी को confusion है तो you can ask. Hello. Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Any confusion in this picture or diagram?
No, sir.
This is important. सबको समझ में आया ना?
Yes, sir.
कोई confusion हो तो you can ask. अदरवाइज थोड़ा आगे हम बढ़े। सब बोल नहीं रहे हैं।
सर नेक्स्ट बतलाइए सर।
अच्छा ठीक है।
नेक्स्ट बतलाइए सर।
The another one is the bead seal. Type of heat seal is the bead seal. इसमें क्या है? The end of the pack, the edges are melted together to form a narrow weld. यहाँ पे जो वेल्डिंग का जो हमारा थिकनेस होगा वो हमारा वाइडर नहीं होगा. So welding side or sealing side will be narrow. So this type of seal can form in homogeneous thermoplastic film or homogeneous packaging materials, bead seal. Then the criteria for proper heat sealing to produce reliable seal. So first is the fusion. Fusion हमारा होना चाहिए अच्छे से, तभी जाकर के वो हमारा अच्छे से सील हो पाएगा. समटाइम्स क्या होता है, फ्यूजन हमारा ठीक से नहीं होता है बिकॉज द कंटेमिनेशन. जब हम पैकेजिंग को फिल्म को क्लोज करेंगे, क्लोज करने के दौरान में अगर उसके सरफेस पे कुछ ग्रीज है या फिर डर्ट है या डस्ट है या वाटर चीज है, तो जब हम हीट अप्लाई करेंगे उस टाइम में वो अच्छे से ज्वाइन नहीं हो पाएगा. दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टू रिमूव एनी कंटेमिनेशन from the packaging film. So that is the sometimes faulty seal we will get. Clouding due to increase in time of sealing. ज्यादा देर तक अगर हम सीलिंग रखेंगे तो जो पैकेजिंग का जो मटेरियल है फिल्म स्ट्रक्चर उसका चेंज होगा, and because of that this clouding phenomenon will occur. Wrinkling also occurring at the time of sealing due to the slightly differing amount of packaging material. अगर दो पैकेजिंग मटेरियल है उसको ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं और दोनों अगर सेम है then it's okay. अगर it is slightly differing or different packaging materials we are joining, then it may form a wrinkles at the seal or the juncture. Blisters in the heat seals area are due to the entrapment of water. कभी कभी जब हम सीलिंग करते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ द कंटेमिनेशन, बिकॉज ऑफ द कंटेमिनेंट, इफ वी आर सीलिंग, सो वो क्या होगा, इन बिटवीन द सील इट विल बी इंट्रैप्ड, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज ब्लिस्टर. ठीक है, यू कैन सी दिस crimping, this you can see crimping in heat seal. So in between the seal we are having air, है ना, in between the seal having air. So generally the air stress and the pack stress के impact को जानने के लिए we are leaving this. Then another method of seal is the cold seal. Cold seal generally applied for the materials which are heat sensitive in nature. Suppose chocolates, creams. If such type of heat sensitive materials, if we want to pack, then we have to use a sealing method that is called a cold seal. So in case of cold seal, what is happening? So in between the packaging film, we have to apply a rubber lining or rubber compound over the film. So if we are applying a rubber compound and we are applying a pressure, so rubber is having a gumminess or a stickiness. With the help of rubber and pressure, we can join the heat sensitive materials, say for chocolates, creams, and etc. So rubber, in case of cold seal, we don't have to apply heat. That's why this is called as cold seal. Agar if we apply a heat, then the seal will call as heat seal. Here we are not applying any amount of heat in case of cold seal. Only we are using the rubber compound or rubber lining compounds over the packaging film. And this film are joined with the help of pressure. Understood? So you can see the cold seal packaging. So here we are using rubber compound. This is the chocolate. चॉकलेट में कौन सा सील होगा? हेलो,
Cold seal.
कोल्ड सील, गुड। ठीक है, तो हाँ, these are the some video here. Means I want to show. You are seeing? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Can you see here?
No, sir.
नो सर, अभी ओपन नहीं हुआ है सर वीडियो।
नहीं नहीं, स्क्रीन दिख रहा है ना?
यस सर।
Yes.
वेट यार, अभी जो हमने 3 मेथड मीन्स बताया, सीलिंग का, हीट सीलिंग और हॉट बार सीलिंग, हॉट बार सीलिंग,
इम्पल्स सीलिंग।
हॉट बार सीलिंग, हॉट वायर सीलिंग, इम्पल्स सीलिंग। Can you see?
नो सर।
No, sir.
नहीं दिख रहा है?
नो सर।
No, sir.
अरे
म्यूजिक सुनाई दे रहा है सर।
then something new share I have to do. Wait. Now you are seeing?
यस सर।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
देखो अच्छे से देखो। Another one you can see. Can you see? दिख रहा है?
यस सर। पैक सीलर।
This is which kind of sealer? This is which kind of
सीलर
sealer?
सर।
Huh?
इम्पल्स सीलर।
Anyone? 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 अरे just now हमने पढ़ाया.
Yes, yes.
एक तो हॉट रॉड.
हेलो.
यस सर.
कौन कौन सा अभी शिलर देखा?
ये वाला लास्ट वाला सर इम्पल्स लिंक.
हाँ. तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही था. We have seen the video 3 kinds: hot bar sealing, hot wire sealing, and impulse sealing. ठीक है?
यस सर.
Thank you, sir.
सर
थैंक यू सर.
हाँ बोलो.
सर ये जो इम्पल्स सीलिंग में जो हम लोग मशीन यूज करते हैं तो उसमें एक जो आप बतलाए टेफ्लॉन कोटेड होता है.
दोनों दोनों, not only one.
ओके. तो ये परमानेंट होता है ये सर या
हाँ,
सीलिंग के समय
हाँ.
लगाया जाता है?
नहीं नहीं, वो जो स्ट्रक्चर है ना, स्ट्रक्चर के ऊपर में एक कोट डाल देते हैं. कोट डालते हैं इसलिए
ओके
जो
सर.
कोई टेम्परेचर जो डाल रहे हैं वो पैकेजिंग फिल्म जो है वो हमारा मेल्ट होगा. तो मेल्ट होगा तो उस टाइम में जो दोनों जॉ है ऊपर नीचे दोनों में जाके चिपक जाएगा. तो फर्दर पैकेजिंग हम कैसे करेंगे? बिकॉज इट विल हैम्पर द
यस सर.
supply of heat to the packaging film. That's why the Teflon coated we are applying over the electric heater in the jaw of the sealer. So it will prevent the stiffness of the packaging film. और कुछ?
यस. थैंक यू सर.
ठीक है? और किसी को कंफ्यूजन है तो you can
थैंक यू
ask.
सर.
बंद करें?
Yes, sir.
चलो फिर.
यस सर.
Okay then.